What's good, my people? This is Nature's Organic Vibe. If you're watching this video for the very first time, it therefore means you've been going through this problem, and worry no more, there is a solution. Yes, today on this video we will be talking about premature ejaculation. Premature ejaculation is a very common problem in men and women nowadays, especially men. Now, why that way? Women, they call us 2 minutes men, 30 minutes men, 4 minutes men, and all of that. And it's causing a lot of problems. So I will share my story with you and then give you a quick solution. Now, you must have stumbled on top of a lot of videos out there telling you, do this, you solve your premature ejaculation problems, do this and do that and do that. A lot of videos have been popping up on the internet, on Facebook, on social media. Anywhere you go, you see those videos. But the question is, have you actually tried and see that they are working? The next question is, are you sure you actually followed the procedures that were given to you on how to do these things? Let me share with you a little story. I used to have a very beautiful girl. We lived together, and suddenly things went sour as I started suffering from the problem of premature ejaculation. I would just go 30 seconds, bam, I'm done. Like, she would ask me, are you finished? I say, yes, I'm finished. Like, what is actually happening? I don't even know like how it started and what actually happened. Then I noticed there was a lot of things, and she was there with me for a very long time. Unfortunately, she had to leave me because she would not be able to continue with a 30 seconds man anymore. Now, what happened? We went to so many doctors. They brought us a lot of prescription, do this, do that, just like the videos you've seen on the internet. We did all of that. And to tell you the truth, none of them actually worked. And when it wasn't working anymore, my girlfriend got tired and then she left. I was heartbroken and I almost died. You know what it means. But now, I would not stop there because I had known what actually caused the breakup and I needed to find solutions to these problems. And of course, that is what I've been doing, and finally I got a solution. And it is the solution I will be sharing with you. A disclaimer is that I am not a medical doctor, but I am someone who suffered from this problem and I've actually found a solution to all your problems of premature ejaculations. So if you're watching this video, this will be the very first video and the best video for you to watch on the internet today. So as you watch the video, make sure you share this video, tag your friends, your families. You're a man, you're a woman, you're a girl, and your partner is suffering from this problem. Do not worry. This is the solution for you because I am a victim of this problem. I have solved the problem, and see, I am very okay. Like, I can do like 15-30 minutes now and I'm fine, perfectly fine. So we will be using natural remedies, very natural remedies that have been tested. But I want to give you a disclaimer. You will not do it for the first time and then you think, oh, it's okay, I'm done. No. When you go to the hospital, you're sick and you're prescribed some drugs and all of that, the doctors actually gives you a dose for you to take. And until you take all of that, you might be solving that problem. So if you go and you have a cut on your wrist today, there's no medication that will just dry up that cut immediately. I've not seen any. So it is the same with any natural remedy I would be giving to you. And here we're just going to be using only 4 ingredients to solve these problems. The first ingredients we would be using to solve this problem is lemon. Lemon is very, very important for your health. If you want to know more about lemon, the next video I'll tell you what lemon has to do with you. Then the next thing we will be using is garlic. These are all organic. Remember, this channel we talk about organic things. This is garlic and it is organic garlic. Natural, it's not anything. The next, honey. This guy is very powerful. You see how dark it is? This is natural, pure honey. It is not the fake honeys you see in the market. No, this is natural. But try to get honey. This is natural honey. And finally, you would need coffee, Nescafe. Okay, you would need Nescafe. And these are the products for you to treat premature ejaculation. How are you going to use this? If you want to get more of these videos, click to the next video and I will teach you how to use these to solve your premature ejaculation problem, both in men and in women. Thank you.